Hello students, I am going to teach standard 10 chemistry acids, bases and salts part 1. What is acids? Acid means a compound which contains one or more hydrogen atoms and when dissolved in water produce hydrogen or hydronium ions, the only positively charged ions, that is known as acids. HCl, sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, your acetic acid, vinegar, phosphoric acid, these are the acids. Acids or acidos. Acidos means sour in taste. In fact, the sour taste of the some foods is due to the acids they contain. Page 38 you see in your book table, there is some vegetable or fruits in which acids are produced. Your formic acid string or bees, malic acid apples, HCl that is your stomach, oxalic acid tomatoes, these are the acids. Organic acids. So depending upon classification of acids or depending upon their sources, these are two types. One is organic acids, another is inorganic acids. Organic acids generally weak acids. These are oxalic acid or your acetic acid, formic acids. These are the weak acids. But inorganic acids, in which these acids are obtained usually from minerals except carbonic acids. Though carbonic acid is a inorganic acid, but it is weak acid because when you dip or you take test, then it changes blue litmus to pink, so it is weak acids. But other than these are your carbonic acids, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are the strong acids. Then oxy acids. If any acids contain oxygen along with hydrogen, these are oxy acids. HNO3, H2SO4, H3PO3, these are the examples of oxy acids. Then hydra acids, in which contain hydrogen. These are known as hydra acids other than oxygen. HCl, HBr, HF, these are the hydra acids. Binary acids. In binary acids, if two elements are present, these are binary acids, that is hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydrogen sulfide, these are binary acids. Then basicity. How many hydrogen ions are displaced by an acid? It is known as basicity of that acid. In HCl, one hydrogen ion can be displaced to form with water hydronium ion. So this is monobasic acid. But if you take carbonic acid, then in carbonic acid two hydrogen ions can be displaced, that is your dibasic acid. Other example is sulfuric acid or sulfurous acid. Tribasic acid, H3PO4 is the tribasic acids. But H3PO3 is a dibasic acid. See the structure in which hydrogen which is linked by phosphorus cannot be replaced, but other hydrogen which is linked with phosphorus with hydroxide, these can be replaced. So though it contains 3 hydrogen atoms, but it is a dibasic acid. In acetic acid, though it contains 4 hydrogen atoms, but it can be replaced only 1 hydrogen atoms to form hydrogen ion, so it is monobasic acids. Then concentrated acid and dilute acid depend upon the water. How many water present in that acid? If water percentage is more, that is dilute. If water percentage is less, that is concentrated. Another is strength of the acids. In the strength of the acids, so degree of ionization of alpha, number of acid molecules ionized by total number of acid molecules present in the aqueous solution into 100%. If its degree of ionization alpha is greater than 30%, that is concentrated or strong acids. If less than 30%, that is weak acids. Then indicator. By the help of the indicator, you can determine the acid or that compound with acids or base. By litmus paper, if it is acid, blue litmus changes to red except carbonic acid, but methyl orange changes to pink. Phenolphthalein remains colorless. Then preparations of acids by synthesis or binary methods. Hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrogen chlorides. These are binary acids. This is by synthesis. Hydrogen added with bromine, hydrogen added with sulfur, that is hydrogen sulfide. Then action of water with acid oxides or non-metallic oxides. Generally acids are prepared by this method. SO3 plus water gives sulfuric acid. SO2 plus water gives sulfurous acid. Carbon dioxide plus water, carbonic acid. Phosphorus trioxide or phosphorus pentoxide react with water to form your phosphorus and phosphoric acid. Nitrogen pentoxide added with water to form nitric acid. But another is your nitrogen dioxide added with water to form two acids at a time, nitrous and nitric. That is known as double acid anhydride. So these are the acidic anhydride: nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These are the acidic anhydride to prepare your acids. Then oxidation of non-metals, very important. When sulfur is added with the nitric acid, then it forms sulfuric acid plus water and nitrogen dioxide. This nitric acid is concentrated, not diluted. And phosphorus added with the nitric acid concentrated, it forms phosphoric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide, very important. Then by displacement, sodium chloride added with the sulfuric acid by heating, it forms sodium bisulfate, means less than 200 degrees Celsius, and hydrogen chloride. But here you see sulfuric acid is less volatile, which can displace by more volatile. Okay. Then olfactory indicators. What is olfactory indicators? Those substances whose smell or odor changes in acidic or basic solution are called olfactory indicators. Example: onion, vanilla and clove oil. If you pass the onion to the towel which is added with the base, then it changes the odor of the onion. So an acidic solution does not destroy the smell of the onion. Then chemical properties. Action with the active metals. When metal added with the acids, it forms hydrogen gas. But except manganese and magnesium added with the nitric acid, very dilute, 1%, then it forms hydrogen gas and corresponding salt. Then action with base or neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, it forms salt and water. Decomposition of salts by acids. Let one example: calcium carbonate decomposed or added with a hydrogen chloride to form calcium chloride salt plus water and carbon dioxide. So if calcium carbonate or metallic carbonate, then carbon dioxide. If calcium sulfite, then it produces sulfur dioxide. If zinc sulfide, then it produces hydrogen sulfide gas. But barium chloride, one salt, when added with the sulfuric acid, it forms hydrogen chloride and barium sulfate, which is the insoluble salt. So these are the properties of the acids. Then general uses of some acids, you can see in your book, page number 42. Boric acid is used for eye wash, citric acid for food preservations, like this. Thank you.